going to show you how easy it is to make potato wedges in the air fryer. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes here and I'm going to cut them into wedges. I did wash these really good before I did this. Now we're gonna go ahead and put those in a bowl. You'll need just a little olive oil, maybe about 2 teaspoons here. Make sure your hands are clean. We're gonna coat these really good with that olive oil. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Now grab some seasonal, and a little bit of this goes a long way. This is a high sodium content. You can actually season these with anything that you want to, but we like seasonal. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit on them. Let's wash our hands again. Now, if your air fryer is like mine, it's so easy to use. Just pull out that pan, leave the grate in it, grab the olive oil and a paper towel, and we are just going to oil this pan. Just place those potatoes in your air fryer pan, just like that. And we are going to put this in the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 375 degrees. And I'll be back. Now we're going to flip them to the other side. Just like that. I'll be back. Okay, 7 minutes up. This is what they look like. I'm gonna turn these over skin side down and cook these for about 4 more minutes on 375 degrees. Okay, these should be done now. If you want to check them, grab a fork, and they're done. And now all you need is some ranch dressing, you know, to make them unhealthy, and dip these in it. Oh,